Hi, I'm Guo. Let's crochet this checkered bag. This pattern is customizable into different sizes you like. You'll need number 4 medium weight yarn. The yarn I'm using is this cotton yarn. I just really like the color palette here. So we have the pink, this blue, and this kind of dark orange and a brown color. This is what I use, and I also really like this white and green. I feel it would be good for a checkered bag, and also this white and yellow also will look good. So let's start with chain stitch. Tie a loop, insert hook into the loop, yarn over the hook, pull through that loop. One more time, yarn over the hook, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. We need to make 24 plus 2 chain stitch, which is 26 stitch, or you can do any number, multiply 4 and then plus 2. This will be how wide our bag is. Now I have 24 chain stitch, so I stretch it to see if it's the width I want. This will be the bottom of our bag. Now crochet the last 2 chain stitch. Usually we insert hook from the front of our chain, but here we insert through the back loop of the chain. This way the bottom of the bag can be tighter and more sturdy. These are the back loops. We skip the last 2 from the hook and insert hook into the 3rd loop. The last 2 chain stitch we skipped will match the height of the double crochet we will do next. Now let's do double crochet. Before you insert your hook, yarn over the hook, then insert through the back loop. Now yarn over the hook, pull through that loop. Yarn over the hook again, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, insert hook through the back loop, yarn over the hook, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. Let's make 3 double crochet, and we will need to change color at the 4th double crochet. Okay, finish the 3rd one. Now the 4th. We stop here at this last step with 2 loops left on our hook. Take another color, pull through the 2 loops, pull the yarn tighter if they get loose. Then we keep doing the double crochet. yarn over. We also need to hide other yarns behind our crochet, so we insert our hook first. After insert the hook, put other yarns on our hook. The yarn we are not crocheting, so here is the first color, the pink, and the yarn end of my second color. Then yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over again, pull through the 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. We need to change colors every 4 double crochet. So 4 in pink, 4 in blue, then 4 in pink again, 4 in blue. There will be 24 double crochet in total on this side of the chain. Remember to hide the yarn behind every crochet we made. We are at the 4th double crochet of the blue. So I like to put 1 skein of the yarn on my left and 1 skein on my right. So when I join the color of the left skein, I make sure the yarn is at the front. So join from the front. Then I need to join the right skein of the yarn, blue here. I make sure the yarn is at the back, not to the front, at the back. Then we join from the back of the other yarn. Now we are finishing one side on the chain, so we change color as before. To work on the other side, we rotate our work and insert hook into the first stitch on the other side. Don't forget to hide the yarn behind every stitch. Now my work has a small bottom. This is the end of round 1. Now we change the color. Then we need to find the top of the first double crochet in this round. We insert hook there. This also means we skip the chain 2. Do a slip stitch, insert hook, yarn over the hook, pull through, and then pull through the loop on the hook. Then chain 2 to start round 2. Make sure the first double crochet is on the top of the double crochet in the last round. We are at the end of round 2. This time we don't need to change color because we want the next square to be blue as well. Slip stitch at the end. As we can see, each square is consists of 2 rows of 4 double crochet. We keep crocheting each round until it reaches the height we want. For this bag, it has 15 rounds of double crochet. We finish the last round of double crochet with a slip stitch. And start next round with chain 1. Then single crochet on the first stitch of the last round. So make 48 single crochet each round and 3 rounds in total. This time we don't need to change color, and each round start with chain 1 instead of chain 2. Cut the color we no longer use. Don't crochet the last slip stitch. Cut the yarn, we use needle to make the last stitch. Insert needle and thread yarn through the first stitch of the last round. And then insert the back loop of our last stitch, thread yarn through. Pull a bit tighter, and you have the end. Last, we weave in and hide the yarn. Weave in different directions. Don't forget to weave in other yarn ends. We finish the back, then make the back strap. The technique is called Romanian cord, so we start with chain 2. Remember to leave a long start of the yarn for sewing later. Make single crochet on the first stitch. Then we rotate our work. Insert needle through that one loop. Make a single crochet. Rotate the work again. Now we have 2 loops. So insert hook through that 2 loops. Make a single crochet. Again rotate. Make a single crochet. So we keep doing this rotate and single crochet until it reaches the length we want. Stretch the strap to measure. It will show the actual length if we put stuff in the back. Finish with a slip stitch. Leave a long yarn end for sewing. Sew the strap on the side on the 3 rows of the single crochet. Hide the yarn in the bag. These are the final works. You can make them into different sizes you like. Thanks for watching.